Hi everyone! Sarah and I are heading to Blizzard Beach today. I've never been there, so I'm super excited. But first, Chick-fil-A. Hey. We're going to Chick-fil-A. We are out here. I had my Chick-fil-A while I was driving in the car. There's like no one here. Look how empty this parking lot is. Yes, there's like 2 rows of cars, but that's it. So we are definitely gonna have a great day. Oh no! It's pretty sunny, and because we thought it was gonna thunderstorm. Now it's not supposed to storm until like 4.
But Jesus is a whole pal, and he loves us, so
yes.
Thanks for the sun, Jesus.
So,
you're a star.
We are so excited for a great day of literally having no one. Hello? There's literally no one here. And this is my first time in Blizzard Beach. I'm just so excited.
It's gonna be so much fun. Been here in 7 years.
We are here. We just went in with our magic bands. And for the first time, I don't know where I'm going in a Disney park. This is weird.
Do you want to check out the merch?
Sure.
Okay. Oh, I can't believe we're actually at the Magic Kingdom right now. I've waited for this moment my whole life.
It's the castle. No, it's just Summit Plummet, but we're about to do that. Okay, we just got sunscreen on and found some chairs, and we are about to do Summit Plummet as our first slide. So, we'll see how this goes. I'm kind of nervous, but super excited. Right there, right there. There it is. We're gonna take the ski lift up.
120 feet tall. I'm getting all sweaty, it's fine.
120 feet tall, what? Okay, so we've been here about an hour and a half now. We've done Summit Plummet,
we did
the Lazy River,
Steamboat Springs.
Steamboat Springs.
I think the chairlift counts as a ride.
The chairlift.
We did a toboggan race. No, we didn't know. The red slide, closed red slide, and we did downhill double dipper.
Yes.
Oh, a snowstormer. That's what the red one's called.
Snowstormer. So it's been very fun. Summit Plummet was not that bad. It was like over in 5 seconds, so it was great. Yeah, we're having a great time because there's like no one here. So.
And it's like 78 degrees out. So like it's not hot and it's not freezing.
Yeah,
it's
the
perfect.
It's perfect.
They heated that for us. That's good chicken.
We're eating lunch right now.
It's good. Good.
And it's like not busy, and it's a Disney quick service. What?
Blizzard Beach, I love you.
Well, we have done everything.
Yeah.
And we even hung out in the wave pool. And now we're gonna try to lay out a little bit and get the sun that there is.
10-4.
We were craving Dole Whip, so we came to the Poly, and we have a view of the castle right now eating it. And
a happy girl.
We just booked Kona Cafe reservations.
No, we're really freaking poor. It's fine.
So yeah, we're gonna eat at Kona Cafe for dinner in like 2 hours, so.
Monorail loop, here we go!
Currently making a loop on the monorail to waste some time. But is it really wasting time?
No, it's not, sweetie. Go like the recent. Taken by @Samantha.Heard.
And go like my recent too.
Go like the recent. Taken by @Sarah Sukowski.
So, we added Abby to our reservation.
She's coming. She better drive fast. It doesn't look like she's here yet. Abby is, well, 3 minutes ago she was like, oh, Oh? Where? Oh, she is
Oh, she's getting
on
here.
Epcot Center Drive.
Awesome.
10th floor.
So now it's a reservation for 3 guests.
One thing to say, 3 guests, 4 meals, Kona Cafe.
Hi, Abby.
I'm back.
Okay, our appetizers came out. We got free bread, and then she got,
Seafood coconut curry soup, I think.
and Abby got,
Pork hot steak.
and I just got coffee to go with my meal because their Kona coffee is supposed to be good. I'm about to try it, so, and bread. So I got the surf and turf.
Thank you.
What'd you get?
I got the dragon roll.
The dragon.
It has eel and shrimp and avocado and eel sauce, and it's really good.
I got the Hawaiian Reuben with some French fries.
Okay, we just ate at the Polynesian and now we are heading back home. So, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all on my next DCP adventure.
Goodbye, my friends. Okay.